I'm in O'Hare. I got this big ass hat on my head. I'll show y'all. See? Big as foot. So yeah, Dakota dropped me off. She's about to meet me at the gate. Chanel is gonna take United. We're gonna all link back up in San Jose. Me and Dakota are gonna travel together, and Chanel's gonna link up with us. Currently in O'Hare, it is 4:28. It's early as fuck. There's really nobody in here, which is a good thing. That means I can get on my flight going to Miami. And then my other flight is wide open from Miami to San Jose, so I'm excited. It's freaking cold here, and I want to show y'all my outfit because I did a video on like when you travel from cold destination to warm destination, how you can have a transitional outfit. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let me see right here. Okay, so I have a little jacket because it is cold here. Take this off. I don't know what's going on. And then I don't feel like I can see, like I got on this jumpsuit with a, I don't want to take all this off because I have to put it back on. But yeah, I have on a jumpsuit and it goes all the way to my feet, and then I have on some sneakers, and I just put on this crop top sweatshirt because it is cold in Chicago, and I put my leather jacket on for my cold weather, and I have some polo shoes. But when I make it to Miami, then I can put on my sandals, and I can lose a couple layers and put my sweatshirt and also my leather jacket up so I can be warm weather ready. Ooh, that's ugly. But just want to check in. I'm in O'Hare. Next destination is Miami, then after that San Jose, and then we're gonna continue vlogging this experience. So see you guys later. Bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm not in Miami because I connected Miami. I'm not in Miami. I'm in Houston. I don't want to talk about it because we're still moving forward. We're still progressing. It's still going to be a good trip. Like, I still made it to my connection to go to San Jose. But let me just say, gay agents be big mad and big hating. Ooh, my hand is ashy. But, you know, me, my friend Dakota, and Chanel, we all made it. So our next destination will be San Jose. We got our boarding passes. We got all of our documentation. It's big. So stay tuned.
Later. Twenty minutes later.
So we just landed in Costa Rica. We just got off the plane. And now we're gonna go to customs. And then we get in the car. We're headed to our Airbnb. Stay tuned.
Meanwhile.
So this footage right here is us. We had just got our rental car and we're headed to our Airbnb. We are in San Jose. We're headed to San Mateo.
2 hours later.
What do you think?
Okay, y'all. So Dakota's driving, Chanel's passenger, and we are on the gravel road trying to find our Airbnb. It's been rough. Oh shit! What the fuck was that?
They don't have a gradual thing to
Okay, I think that's the left. I feel like we're getting warm. We're in the mountains.
Much later. Tomorrow.
Good morning. It is day 2 of Costa Rica. I didn't really film yesterday because we're getting settled, but I'll add some footage to the vlog later. from yesterday, from day one. It was just our travel day, and then we were getting settled in our Airbnb, which I'll insert footage of the Airbnb as well. But we are in San Jose, Costa Rica, and I'm pretty sure I told y'all that already. But it's day 2. We have we have some things we want to get done today. We're gonna go swim in this lake down the road from our Airbnb, and we're also going to go horseback riding around the town. And I think that's gonna be the extent of our day today, and try to get some bomb pictures in the scenery. And then tomorrow we're gonna try to find some waterfalls and stuff, because Costa Rica doesn't really have any like beaches and stuff. Well, the part of Costa Rica we are at is not near any water. And when I went to Costa Rica in 2018, they didn't really have any. The beach I did go to in Liberia was kind of, you know, it wasn't really blue. It was like a little brown. So when you come to Costa Rica, you mostly coming for the aesthetic of like the waterfalls, the hills. Oh my god. Did you see that? Y'all seen that? Oh my god. Okay, y'all, I'll come back later.
A few inches later.
No say. Coffee. Oh, see.
Okay. Do you have tea? Hot water? Hot water?
¿Puedes poner
How do you say hot? Caliente.
Caliente agua.
acá?
Inside.
Oh, he's talking about the tea thing
Oh,
inside.
okay. Got you.
Oh, breakfast is served. Dakota in the cut with the copyright music. So we're not gonna be doing nothing right now. We're taking photos. Honey, one thing for sure, two things for certain. When you travel, make sure you get your photos off. Like, I got a couple outfits, even though I'm only gonna be here for 3 days. Let me walk away. But yeah, so we're taking photos right now before we go on our first excursion, which we're gonna go down to this lake, and then later we're gonna go horseback riding. I'm sorry y'all can't really see me. The sun is this way. There we go. Then we're gonna go horseback riding, but I'll just show y'all how we get our photos off, and you guys can see.
A few inches later.
When it says REC, it's recording?
It's a red dot?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, well, can go down there. Sorry. Not going down there right now. I remember, I cannot forget. Oh, shit. This is live and direct. How you get the shot, so many shots. Period.